In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious baked ziti pasta casserole recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need ziti pasta cooked, 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 5 cups of marinara sauce, 3 cups of mozzarella, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 3 garlic cloves shredded, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 onion diced, 1 cup of Parmesan, and 1 cup of ricotta cheese. In a pan over heat, we're going to start by adding the oil. Add the onions and saute them. Add the garlic and saute for a couple of seconds, making sure not to burn it. Add in the meat. Season with the salt and the pepper and cook thoroughly. Once cooked, we're going to add in our marinara sauce and mix thoroughly. We're going to take our pasta sauce off the heat. While the sauce is still hot, we're going to add in the ricotta and mix until completely melted. Add in the cooked pasta and coat thoroughly. We're going to pour half of our pasta out into a glass baking dish. Top with half of the mozzarella cheese and half of the Parmesan cheese. Add in the remaining pasta. Top with the remaining mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese. We're going to bake this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Our baked ziti pasta casserole is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.